Someone's thinking about you very heavily. You'll know this if you've had days lately where a wave of sadness hits you out of nowhere. Like you're fine 1 minute and the next you've got this heaviness in your chest that doesn't feel like it belongs to you. If that's been happening lately, this is going to explain why. It's the kind of energy that sits heavy. It's like longing, regret, that deep ache of wishing things had gone differently, and it's coming from this other person. You're probably feeling it because you are still linked. Even if you've moved on, they haven't. They're still reaching for you emotionally, and your energy is picking it up like static. So we're starting with temperance, and this is about energetic balance. So you might be feeling their emotions because you're naturally empathetic. You absorb energy like a sponge, and right now, you're being asked to ground yourself, to separate what's yours from what's theirs. Their sadness isn't your burden to carry, even if you still care about them. Then we've got the Ten of Cups, the Hermit, and the Tower. So this person saw happiness with you, or at least the potential for it, but then something within them broke. The Hermit shows isolation. They're alone with their thoughts, probably replaying how things ended with you. And the Tower is their world, crumbling a little each time they realize how they messed up or how far you've drifted. This sadness you're feeling is not random. It's their moment of reckoning, echoing through the bond that you once shared with this person. Next is the Lovers with the Two of Pentacles. There's a decision here, and it's not an easy one. They're torn between holding on to what they feel for you and trying to accept that it might really be over. Meanwhile, you're juggling your own emotions, wondering if you should reach out or if that would just pull you back into something that you've already healed from. The connection still exists between the two of you, but it's very, very fragile, stretched thin across distance and time. Then comes Judgment, and that's the wake-up call for both of you. This is about closure and truth. It's about both people finally seeing what went wrong, maybe even forgiving themselves or each other. For some of you, this could lead to reconnection, but for most, it's about release, letting the energy shift from longing into understanding. Next is the Queen of Cups. That came out first, and then there was the Queen of Wands and the Three of Cups. So the Queen of Cups is you. It's compassionate, intuitive, and deeply feeling. You're the emotional center in this dynamic, the one who still feels love, but knows that boundaries are needed. Then we see the Queen of Wands and the Three of Cups coming out side by side around this Queen of Cups. Your confidence returning, your light coming back on, you're stepping out of the heaviness, reconnecting with joy, friends, and things that make you feel alive again. Then the Four of Wands and the Page of Cups. This looks like emotional renewal. It could be a new romantic opportunity or even an apology from this person. Either way, it's lighter energy. Something new is being built from what's been learned here. We end on the World, which is completion, a full circle moment. Whatever this connection was meant to teach you, it's done that. You've grown, and now you're closing the chapter with peace. And at the bottom of the deck, the Four of Swords. So rest, recovery, integration. You've earned this quiet. So this reading is for the person who's been feeling someone else's emotions. It's not in your head. That sadness belongs to them. They're realizing what they lost, but you are not meant to carry that weight anymore. Ground yourself, protect your peace, and let the energy pass through you, not stick to you. You're stepping into calm now.